How to make money on the internet in 2025. Hi, my name is Coach Eko Washen. If today is your first time watching my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you are going to be the first person to watch my video. I've said many times that if you have a smartphone and data, you are not supposed to be broke. You are broke because you don't know how you can turn your smartphone into a money-making machine and start making money. You have Facebook on your phone. Facebook has over 22 billion people on the app. You have Instagram, you have TikTok, you have YouTube, you have X, you have Snapchat, you have WhatsApp. All these apps are money-making apps. But the truth is, you don't know how you can use these apps on your smartphone to make money. You go to the internet and the only thing you do is to consume unnecessary content that are not, the contents that are not adding value to your life. You have become a consumer. You are part of the Comment Readers Association. It is time you use your smartphone. It is time you make money on Facebook. It is time you make money on TikTok. It is time you make money on Instagram. It is time you make money on WhatsApp. So the first thing you can do on the internet to make money is to identify the gifts that God has given you. You know how to cook. You know how to talk very well. You know how to braid. You know how to paint. There are so many things you are good at. So why don't you bring the things that you know on the internet and monetize them? For example, you love traveling, right? You can go to Kenya, you go to Mexico, you go to Australia, like you love traveling. Now, anytime you travel, you just go and have fun and you come home. But do you know you can monetize your traveling content? You love cooking. Do you know you can monetize your cooking on the internet? So, whatever things or like the things that you know how to do best, it is time you bring it on social media. So, the first thing that I'm going to ask you to do, you have to sit down right now, take your notebook, take your pen, and ask yourself, what can I do on the internet to make money? Now begin to rack your brain. If you are going to rack your brain, now write all the things that will come into your mind. Write them on that paper or on that notebook. Now, if you write them from number 6 to number 10, at least write 10 things. From number 6 to number 10, you're going to have difficulty in bringing those ideas on the paper. But if you can take one particular thing from number 6 to number 10, that is where the turnaround is going to be. Now, maybe you are a farmer, right? You are a baker. You know how to bake bread. Like, you are good in so many things. Why don't you bring it on social? Why don't you bring all the things that you know on social media? So write it down. Now identify one particular thing like you are good at. Now, if you identify it, the next thing that you are going to do is you have to start watching videos on YouTube, on TikTok. Watch those videos and become better. Now, you have to stop saying that not everybody can be on social media. Not everybody can stand in front of the camera like what I'm doing and talk to people. Now, let me tell you something. Do you know social media, the internet, can turn your life around in just a matter of seconds? So write everything down and go and learn how to do it. Now, after learning, like doing some kind of research on the internet, you have to learn about how to record videos. Create, like you're already on Facebook, turn your Facebook page to a professional page. Go to TikTok, set up your bio. YouTube. Put your profile picture on YouTube. Start posting. So basically, become a content creator. You have a shop, you have a business. Bring that business to social media. So let's say you have a shop, you sell kids clothing. You have a shop that you sell some good stuff there. Why don't you bring that thing in that shop? Why don't you bring it on social media, my dear brother, my dear sister? Social media is the best way to go now. On TikTok, if you have a physical shop and you open an online shop on TikTok, you're going to make a lot of money. So become a content creator. Just learn how to do it. And I have a master class, I have a mentorship class. You can also join my mentorship class, and we are going to teach you like 1 month mentorship class. I have solid team that we are going to teach you how to make money on the internet, and you'll be amazed by the things that we are going to teach you. So start recording videos, post your first video on the internet, right? And let's see how it will go. The second thing that you can also do, you can become something like setting up an agency on Facebook. So like setting up an agency simply means, like, let's say you are going to help people to manage their social media pages. Basically, become a social media manager, right? Just go and learn how to become a social media manager. Become a social media manager. You can manage people's pages on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. There are so many people who are busy. They don't have time to manage their social media pages. Today they will post, another day they will not post, another time they will not post. So you are going to manage their pages for them. Just go and learn how to become a social media manager. The next thing that you can also do on the internet and make money, go to Canva. Learn how to use Canva or an app like Poster My Wall. Design thumbnail. There are people on YouTube who need, an expert who can design thumbnails for them. Design thumbnails. You can also do graphic designs for people, right? You can do graphic designs for people. So basically, just go and learn how to use Canva, Photoshop, all these apps. Go and learn how to use the apps and bring it to social media. The next thing that you can also do to make money, you can learn about forex trading and you can trade online. You can also teach people on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Maybe you know things about money, like you are an expert in something. So come and teach people. On YouTube, you can create your own YouTube channel, teach people on what you know, and let's wait and see. If you give yourself the next 6 months, you are going to change your story. It will shock you. You are going to change your story. You have to become consistent. Listen to me. You don't have to know everything before you start posting. You don't have to know everything. You don't need a video camera, your smartphone, that smartphone in your hand. That smartphone can do everything for you. You don't need, the only thing you need is your smartphone, your internet, your ring light. You are good to go. You can start, and it will shock you how much you are going to make at the end of every month. The next thing, that is the last thing that you can also do, is this: monetize your knowledge. Monetize your knowledge. So basically, I'm just telling you the things you can do. You can do right now. You can just start today. Today, as you watch this video, you can start today, and it will shock you how much money you are going to make here. This video, I didn't prepare for this video. I just got the idea. I said, let me tell you what you can do on the internet. The internet is turning so many lives around. There are people who are making thousands of dollars. Go to TikTok. There are people who live in the United States and UK. They are making so much money. There are people who are creating content and making a lot of money. I am a witness. Myself, I am making a lot of money on social media. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you are going to watch this video, or you are going to watch my video, and you are going to learn a lot of things. Follow for more.